Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I will show you display brightness setting. And today video title is guys, what is auto rotate and how to use it on Realme mobile. Friends, you want to use auto rotate screen setting on your Realme phone. So how to on and use today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Open your phone setting friends, and friends click on Realme phone display and brightness. After friends display and brightness setting, friends you can see light mode setting, dark mode setting, auto brightness setting, eye comfort setting. Friends, you want to on auto brightness, so by when you will on auto brightness your phone brightness will decrease, brightness will increase automatic. Friends, you want to on eye comfort mode on your Realme phone, so friends you should on at night guys, when you operate your phone at night, so when you should on it. After on friends you can adjust your skin color temperature, so guys we will off it. Friends, you can see auto rotate setting guys, we will on first auto rotate. And friends, how to on friends you can use it. Friends, you want to rotate your phone screen, so friends you can rotate it. Friends, you can see easily friends we can rotate the screen, and friends we can use it like that. Auto rotate setting on Realme phone device, so friends you can see we can use this auto rotate setting. So like that friends you can rotate your YouTube screen, and friends you want to rotate your Chrome screen, so friends you can rotate it. So like that friends we can rotate our Realme phone screen. And friends, you don't want to use, so friends click on phone setting again, and friends direct friends you can search your auto setting guys, search your auto setting. Friends, you can see auto rotate friends, direct you can off from here. After offense your phone screen will not rotate, you can check. So like that friends we can use auto rotate setting on Realme phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.